Between the Ceyhan River and the Hazar Sea, the wind of the Turkmen land rises above its deserts. Its blossoming flowers are as precious as the apples of my black eyes. Torrents rush from the slopes of its tall black mountains.
The Almighty blessed this land with his care. The herds of thoroughbred camels graze in its deserts. Its green meadows blossom with colorful flowers. The Turkmen steppes are filled with sweet basil.
Its fairies will appear in their colorful dresses. The sweet smell of ambergris will fill the air all around.
The Bek, Ture, and Elderi are owners of the country.
The beautiful land of the Turkmen will be filled with populated and prosperous villages.
Il est fils d'un homme courageux. Ses ancêtres étaient courageux. Gorgli et son frère sont enthousiastes et grands. Si les chasseurs chassent pour lui dans les montagnes ou les steppes, les Turkmènes, fils du lion, ne sera pas attrapé vif.
When souls, hearts, and minds of tribes are united, their troops, when gathered, will melt stones and ground on their way. When Turkmen gather around one table to share a meal, the destiny of Turkmen will rise high.
The spirits get high when on a horseback. Its mountains at a glance look like rubies. When its rivers are full flowing, bringing honey with them. No dam can withstand the floods of the Turkmen land.
Ils ne seront pas pris inconscients par des intrus ou piégés dans une bataille. Ils ne sont pas dépendants non plus d'une malédiction ou violence. Ils ne flétriront pas, ni ne s'attendriront lorsqu'ils seront séparés du rossignol. Les fleurs des Turkmènes propageront toujours le parfum de l'ambre gris.
All tribes are in brotherhood, all clans are at peace. Their destinies won't go counter, they are at the Creator's blessing. If the brave straddle their horses, the battle will be over. The only path Turk can take is toward the intruders.
They will have their spirits high and be cold inside. They will be crumbled stones, nothing can stop them on their way. I won't cast a glance anywhere else. My soul will not take a joy. The elderly of Turkmen will have his say.